Alright folks, gonna be looking at wrapping us some headers today on Phil's house. So I personally like wrapped headers just because it cuts down on a lot of the heat that comes from the front of the motorcycle. So I got some leftover wrap from the Honda Shadow I had and figured I might as well throw some on this, make some good use of it for the katana pipes. So see how it turns out. Basically we're just gonna wet down the material a little bit, just help it stick, wrap it on the pipes, and try to cut it off where we can make it as neat as possible. So start rolling on it. So we're just gonna soak our material in some water, helps it all stick to the pipe till you can get your ties on it. And then just have to figure out how we want to wrap this. If we go up this way or down this way. So I was thinking going up this way and then leaving a piece on each end and wrap it all together afterwards. So give that a shot, I do believe. And I don't think we really need a whole ton of room behind these flanges, so probably just kind of start up here. Pretty much just trying to give it 50-50 overlay for most part. Of course, making bends, it's going to change a little bit, but that's how you're going to get hold itself together. Just keep working it, stretching it fairly tight. And of course, this will kind of heat up and shrink down some when you fire the bike up. Give myself a nice little twist here. Got this wrap off Amazon a while back. It held up pretty good on that Honda I had. Of course, it just sat outside and it really never faded at all. It stayed this tan color, so that's good. Tight in through here. Being said, we might have to end this at the end of the pipes and then wrap over top. Yes, this is all fiberglass, so if you're itchy at the touch of it, probably won't be wearing gloves. One time I used to do a lot of fiberglass sanding, so fairly immune to it at this point. So work with a lot of fiberglass, carbon fiber, all that kind of stuff. So it should be well enough where we can tie that up and then cover it with another layer on top. You won't even see where we stop right here. So I think we'll go with that. And that just is a plus. This will help hold these flanges, keep them from sliding down while you're trying to put the pipes on. Use some of these stainless steel ties. Which pretty much you just kind of line them up and then get to a point where you can pull it tight and then lock it together. That way it don't come loose. Roll it out, there's tension on it. Pretty tight right there. Finally. Alright guys, we got these pipes ready to go back on the bike. And that's going to do it for this episode of Phil's House. We'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching.